What's up guys, today I want to show you how to make thumbnails for long form YouTube videos and also short form YouTube videos. This is absolutely free and super easy to do. So what you want to do first is go to canva.com, and here in the right corner there's a button that says sign up. Press this and use any of these methods that's available to you. This is absolutely free and no download required. So once you have signed up, this is how your dashboard is going to look. There's quite a lot going on, but it's pretty easy to understand. But for this video, we're making a thumbnail. So here in the search bar, you want to write YouTube thumbnail. I already did this before, I'm not going to write it again, but YouTube thumbnail, and make sure that this is under templates and not projects. Go under templates and write YouTube thumbnail. Alright, so here you can see a list of thumbnails that Canva has made for you. There's many free ones, many paid ones, and if you want, you can use one of these ones. You can find a thumbnail that you like, change maybe the pictures, the text, let's say this one. Maybe you have a financial channel. You could potentially change the picture, change text, and you're done. But for this video, we're gonna make our own thumbnail. So let's go back here. All right, from here, you wanna click create a blank YouTube thumbnail. And it's gonna bring up this dashboard. And here you can do pretty much whatever you like. You can change the color. You could bring in all sorts of elements. There's shapes, stickers, all kinds of photos, frames, whatever you like. There's some that you need to pay for, but I feel like most of them are free. You could bring in text. Also, you can see that these ones are free, these ones are free, these ones are free. Oh, these ones are paid. If it says pro, then it means that you have to pay for it. But for this thumbnail, I actually have a moment saved from one of my gaming clips. So I'm gonna bring that in. So if you have a file that you want to bring in, you just drag it in this little box here under uploads, and it can be whatever you like. It can be a video, it can be a photo, it can be a sound. It's up to you. And once it's in, just drag it in here and it's gonna fit automatically. And let's say that just for educational purposes, we want to add some sort of text and we want to add some sort of element like a picture or whatever. So let's start with text. You can go here and you can choose one of these free ones. If you like, you can also get the pro version, but I don't think it's necessary at first, maybe later, but see what we like. All right, it doesn't matter at the moment, but let's take this one. So I have this text here. Let's change it to killing zombies. So it's a little bit too big. You can rescale it here. Let's say 100. Bam. This thumbnail is gonna be shit. I'm just doing this for to show you guys how to make thumbnails, but it's not gonna be a good thumbnail. So let's say we have this here, killing zombies, and then let's bring in some sort of element. Let's say a gun. Let's find a gun. And if it doesn't say pro here, that you can use these for your own thumbnails or whatever you want to make. Let's see what do we have here. Let's say this one. It's a revolver. Okay. And bam. We're done. I think this is an amazing thumbnail, by the way. Okay, so this is for long form YouTube videos, but I want to show you also how to make a thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. But before that, I want to show you how to export this thumbnail. So you want to go in the top corner here where it says share, press this, and then there's an option called download. Press the download one, make sure that it's on PNG because it's going to be the best quality, and just download, and you're done. And let me quickly show you how to make a thumbnail for YouTube Shorts. So you want to go back to the home page, the same way we did before. When we type YouTube thumbnail, we just write YouTube Shorts. There's many things you can choose from here, but we're gonna do the same thing. Choose a blank one. Let's find the same picture. Drag it in. Oh, we don't have to do that because it's already there, but okay, whatever. So, and do the same thing, just drag the picture here. As you can see, it's a little bit messed up because you can't see the whole picture, but one thing we can do, we can put it where we want it to be. Let's say here. So you kind of can see the gun, you can see the shooter, you can see the zombie, so it makes sense. So you can scale it a little bit with the crop tool. Done. Okay, and we're gonna do the same thing. Let's add some sort of text. Let's choose this one. And let's say, let's do the same thing. Shooting zombies. We have to rescale it a little bit. 100. Oh, that's too. I said 200. Okay, there we go. By the way, with this text, you can also change it as you like. You can change the colors. It could be green. You can change, it can be in bold. It's up to you. There's many options. You can change the font here. It's up to you. Shooting zombies, and let's add some sort of picture. Let's do the same thing. Let's add a gun, but a different one. Let's do this over here. All right. And the same thing, you want to go to share, download, make sure that it's PNG, and download. All right, guys, I hope that this was useful and that you can use Canva to create amazing thumbnails for your amazing YouTube videos. And let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Bye-bye.